I am with my quarter horse. A little concerned because when you see a horse doing this, I don't know if you can notice, but he's having a hard time breathing. He's also dropped weight in his top line. As you can see though, he's still eating. This is his sister. She's very healthy and chunky. They eat the exact same thing. His eyes had a bit of a discharge. Wasn't sure if that was just allergies. And now if I try to walk away, he's having a hard time with the left front. Come on, Max. And then his eyes. Come here, buddy. Come here, Papa. Come here. Let me show people. Watch his eyes. Watch. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like he's having a hard time. Well, yeah, he's having a bit of a time focusing. Limping on the front left. Come here. Max. Come on. Lift your head. And this eye. Come on, let him see. Come on, baby. See how it kind of flinches left, right? He's having a hard time focusing. I don't know. I've been trying to call the vets in the area. They're all busy because 2 of the 4 were out of town. And I will let you know the update on this prognosis. But it seems like he's having a bit of a time, well, to me, breathing. But he's eating. That's a good thing. I don't know.